Every time we do a self-defense segment, especially a gun disarming technique, someone always asks, well, when you grab the gun, doesn't this burn your hand? And today, I'm here to show you our self-defense technique. The gun does not burn your hand. Here I have 1 round in a magazine. In. Gun charged. Rocky. Rocky's holding the gun. I'm simply going to, since I would grab with my left hand on a self-defense situation, grabbing the gun and fire. Does not hurt. But wait, there's more. Okay? Multiple rounds in the magazine. This case, the gun is charged, means it's ready to fire. This situation, Rocky has the gun. If I was doing self-defense and I reached for the gun and he fired before I got to the gun, I'm going to explain the situation that everybody needs to know. So Rocky fires and I grab. Since my grab on the self-defense was slightly after the fire, I want you to know that if you are still in front of the gun, or if you're aiming the gun in a self-defense situation, that there is a live round that if he fires again, you could have been dead. So keep in mind that anytime you grab a weapon, it may not hurt you, but there's another round already chambered into the gun. So extra safety. All right. There we go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
That's simple. Krav Maga.